Big cooling in a compact size, that's the RolyCool Alexa-enabled 10,000 BTU portable AC unit by RolyBot, a modern comfort control solution for cooling on demand. The streamlined design and 360-degree caster wheels make it possible to deliver comfort wherever you need it. Control your cool with Alexa skills. You can start and stop cooling, change the modes, even set the temperature to get your room comfortable, ready before you even step foot in your home. Follow these simple steps to set up the unit. These sections thread into one another and should be placed within a window gap. Vertical and horizontal options. Thread section B onto the end of section A. The screw fasteners are used to secure the sections together and can be loosened or tightened when adjusting. Thread section C onto the end of section B. Slide to connect. Tighten the sections with the screw heads. By tightening and loosening screw fasteners, you can adjust the section's length. Install the assembled window kit into the gap between the window and the frame. Push the window closed to secure. Install the connectors onto the exhaust pipe. Before the next step, you may need to unfurl the pipe on each end. Rotate the outer connector clockwise around the pipe. Rotate inner connector clockwise around the pipe. Install the exhaust pipe into the back side of the unit. Slide from right to left to fit the air vent slot. Align the outer connector with the window kit's outlet. Then affix the exhaust pipe onto the window kit. The simple, user-friendly LED control display provides full control over the AC unit, and you'll have the power of cool at your fingertips. Save money on your monthly energy costs by cooling only the areas you need. The smooth, gliding 360-degree caster wheels add portability to the Cool 208-20. Download the RolyCool app, available on iOS and Android, and you'll have the power of cool at your fingertips. For your convenience, there is an app for this device. The app is compatible with most Android and iOS smartphones. Additionally, the unit can be paired with Alexa and other products from the Amazon Echo family. When app pairing, Bluetooth will become available as soon as you turn the RolyCool on. Proper maintenance will help improve your RolyCool's performance. Periodically, the RolyCool will need its filters cleaned. For optimal performance, the filters should be cleaned at least twice a month. Big cooling in a compact size, that's the RolyCool Alexa-enabled 10,000 BTU portable AC unit by RolyBot.
Winter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, winter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Winter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions: the ARC 14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC 14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our winter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your winter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.